People are flipping. We are flipping votes. People's minds are changing. Even from today, do you know how many people don't feel comfortable voting for Joe Barker after what they heard today? This is a man who couldn't manage his finances at this old age. I mean, you can't say he was womanizing, or well, you never know. Maybe he was womanizing. Maybe that's why he saved no money. But if he couldn't manage his finances, how then is he going to be able to rescue a country? With a Jeremiah Kun, if you take Jeremiah Kun's cell phone from him, you say, let low in your contacts, among your contacts, find 10 international people number inside. I say Liberian who living abroad. 10 international people. Jeremiah Kun get 5 number from international people inside. There's a man who has no international exposure. Nobody knows him. And these are the people that are supposed to come change country. I beg you, yeah. Let's keep Joe we are there, yeah. Let's keep Joe we are there.